Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Right, as you guys saw a few hours ago, I made a video talking about Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin crash. If you guys didn't know already, right, cryptocurrency is down, okay? The crypto market, not even just cryptocurrency, you know what I mean? Even the stock market is down, right? So cryptocurrency and the stock market, right, we are down today, okay? This happened a few hours ago, you know what I mean? And I made a video a few hours ago. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out, you know what I mean? But I pretty much showed you guys the chart of when Bitcoin was actually dipping, you know what I mean? And right now, Bitcoin is still slightly dipping, you know what I mean? Like everything is just bad today. You know, there's a lot of fear in the market right now, you know what I mean? It's literally extreme fear. It's not even just fear, it's literally extreme fear, right? A lot of people are fearful right now for Bitcoin, you know what I mean, for crypto and stocks, right? So guys, what is exactly happening? Why is Bitcoin crashing? Well, it's due to pretty much some bad news with inflation. Okay, so pretty much, if you guys didn't know already, right? The Federal Reserve announced a rate hike of 50 basis points, right? So this is some bad, inflation news. You know what I mean? And I told you guys about inflation. Inflation is a really, really bad thing, right? Like the thing about inflation, guys, you know what I mean? It can be good and bad. Like what I mean by that is like it's bad for, the people that don't have a lot of money, the people that are not wealthy, you know what I mean? Like people just generally don't have a lot of money, right? It's bad for them, right? It's bad for us, you know what I mean? Right? But inflation, okay, it's good for the wealthy people, you know what I mean? It's good for them because obviously, they invested, let's say, for example, they invested into a house and inflation goes up. That means, their investment into that house goes up as well, right? So it's good for the wealthy, it's bad for the poor or the middle class people, like whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean? But either way, guys, okay, inflation is just a really bad thing. And the inflation rate is going higher. You know what I mean? It's literally going higher, right? So there are some bad news right now. That's why the stock market is going down. That's why cryptocurrency is going down. That's why Bitcoin and pretty much most altcoins are going down right now, guys. Okay, so yeah, this morning, especially earlier this morning, when it was at like 2 in the morning, literally when I was filming that video, bad times. It was not looking good. Even right now, guys, a few hours later, it is not looking good at all. Okay, I must say, it's not looking good. There's a lot of fear in this market right now. A lot of people are panic selling, right? And I hope you guys are still holding on, you know what I mean? For the people out there that are Bitcoin holders, that are holding some type of altcoin, whether it's Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, whatever it may be, you know what I mean? I hope you guys are still holding onto your positions. Do not panic sell. I'm telling you guys this right now. Do not panic sell. I'm telling you guys this right now. Okay, that is the worst thing to do right now, to panic sell. Yes, I get it. A lot of people out there are fearful. Okay, a lot of people are panic selling. A lot of people are getting out of their positions, right? But I'm telling you guys right now, that is not the way to go. Trust me. Just hold on tight, right? Trust me, it will bounce back up, right? We are here for long term. We're not here for short term, right? Who cares what Bitcoin is doing short term? We care about what Bitcoin is doing, in decades, 10 years from now. You know what I mean? Because like I said, Bitcoin's going to be reaching obviously a new all-time high by 2030. Like literally, you know what I mean? Like Bitcoin's going to be reaching at $1 million. You know what I mean? Like I really do see $1 million per Bitcoin really, really soon. Well, I'll say really, really soon. I mean by that in like a couple years time, like literally like 8 years time, literally by 2030, right? So with this dip going on right now with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and the stock market, right? So guys, this is the perfect time right now to load up, right? To load up your, positions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Terra Luna, Avalanche, Chainlink, Polygon, you know what I mean, BNB, whatever it may be, right? Just invest, okay? This is the perfect time right now to buy the dip. This is literally the perfect time right now to buy the dip. Perfect time to buy some Bitcoins right now, right? If you guys if you guys haven't invested into Bitcoin yet, invest now. This is a great opportunity because this dip, it was a pretty decent dip. You know what I mean? Bitcoin right now is currently at about $51,000 here in Australia, and I believe for you guys in America, it's about at $36,000 or $37,000, right? So yeah, this dip did happen, and it's a pretty decent dip, I must say. So you guys know that you should always buy the dips. So this dip is a great opportunity to buy because we are now lower than the support level for Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Like, it's gone way lower, right? But this dip, guys, it doesn't affect me. It really doesn't. You know what I mean? I'm still bullish. I'm not bearish. You know what I mean? I'm never bearish with Bitcoin and crypto, right? Even though, yes, we do have days like this where it goes up and down, and days like this where it crashes, right? Because this dip was a pretty decent dip, like I said. So it's a pretty decent crash, right? Because of this, inflation news, right, from the Federal Reserve. And this is completely normal, right? But the thing is, guys, with Bitcoin and crypto, like for long term, it always goes back up. And history does repeat itself. Like, we seen Bitcoin in 2021, right? You saw a dip. It was at $84,000 and it dipped all the way to like $40,000, right? Here in Australia. I'm talking about 80 prices here, right? And then once it was about $40,000, it went all the way up to like almost $94,000, close to $100,000, right? And then now, okay, it's been dipping, and now we're back at $50,000, right? And the funny thing is, this happened last year in May. And what month is it now? It's May, right? So it's pretty much been exactly a year now since we had that dip. And now Bitcoin is dipping again. So far this year, guys, Bitcoin, right, has not been doing that great. In 2022, yes, we have seen a few rallies up. We have seen a few pumps. I will admit that. But most of the time, we've been going down. You know what I mean? And that's a great opportunity to buy in, to load up your Bitcoins, to accumulate more Bitcoins, right? You always have to buy the dips. And this is the time right now, perfect time to buy the dips. So if you guys don't have any Bitcoins, go ahead and buy some now. You know what I mean? I don't care if it's $1. Go ahead and invest that dollar into Bitcoin right now. I keep telling you guys this, you know what I mean? I've been making so much videos about the past, telling you guys to invest your money into Bitcoin. Try to accumulate one single Bitcoin. And this is the opportunity right now, perfect opportunity right now to accumulate more Bitcoins, right? So guys, okay, please invest your money in Bitcoin. Now, this is the thing, guys. I wouldn't invest, let's just say you want to invest $5,000, just to say, right? I wouldn't invest $5,000 straight away right now, you know what I mean? Right? Because, okay, the reason being is because I really do believe another dip is going to happen, okay? I just have a feeling, you know what I mean? I feel like Bitcoin as of right now is going to dip below $50,000, okay? So that's going to happen. So I would say if I were you guys, I'll just put, a few, $1,000, $2,000 right now, and then I'll invest $3,000 later on when Bitcoin dips more. You always have to have money on the side to invest more. You don't just go all in, you know what I mean? That's what I realized, right? Because like I said, Bitcoin is really volatile, okay? So it's going to dip even more. I just have a feeling, right? A lot of people are fearful right now. There's a lot of panic selling going on. So guys, if I were you guys, I will still have money on the side. So don't just go all in on one investment, right? I will still have money on the side. You know what I mean? So that's just my opinion, right? So guys, that's the news. That is why Bitcoin is crashing. That's why cryptocurrency is crashing. That's why the stock market is going down as well, right? Pretty much if the stocks are down, crypto is down, right? If crypto is down, the stock is down, right? If stocks are up, crypto is up, right? So that's that. So guys, like I said again, when I tell you guys I am not bearish, I'm not scared, I'm not panicking or anything like that. I am completely fine. You know what I mean? Like, literally, this is completely fine. You know what I mean? Even though, yes, it hurts to see, right? But sometimes it does most of the time, I say sometimes, most of the time it does make me happy because, I see this as an opportunity to buy in more. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I'm obviously going to be buying some Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying some Ethereum, Solana, right? I'm going to be buying some, Terra Luna, Avalanche, and some other altcoins, you know what I mean? So this is the great time to buy Bitcoin and altcoins right now, guys. Okay, this is the perfect time to accumulate, right? To invest your money into cryptocurrency because it is down. Today is a day of buying, right? Instead of selling. This is a day to buy, not to sell. You know what I mean? Even though, yes, a lot of people are panic selling. You know what I mean? And that's completely normal. You know what I mean? That's just how it is. That's just how people is, right? They just want to get out. You know what I mean? So this is fine. This is completely normal for me, guys. This is completely normal to me. For you guys, you guys may be panicking, but trust me, Okay, trust me. Just hold your positions. Don't sell anything. Don't get out. Don't panic sell. Don't do any of that. You know what I mean? It's not the way to go. Trust me. It will just screw with your emotions more, right? So guys, what I would do is just to accumulate more, and don't look at your phone too much. Don't look at the charts too much. Don't go on your computer or your laptop and don't look at the charts. Don't look at your portfolio. Just, go to the beach, go for a walk in the park. Just go somewhere, do one of your hobbies, and just don't check the market too much, right? If you are panicking, you know what I mean? If you are fearful, if you are like, oh, what do I do? What do I do? Just don't look at your charts, okay? Just go get some fresh air for a few hours time and just don't look at your phone. Don't look at the charts at all, right? Just relax, okay? Just relax, and literally like maybe a few days or a week from now or a few weeks, it will pump back up. Trust me, okay? This is how the market works, guys, right? But time will tell. I really don't know, but that's just my own personal opinion, right? Because Bitcoin long term, it always goes back up, right? That's the thing about Bitcoin. It always shoots back up, right? Even cryptocurrencies, most altcoins do go back up, right? So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. That is why, okay, this is why Bitcoin is crashing, because of the Federal Reserve, right? With some pretty bad news about the inflation rates, you know what I mean? So that's that, guys, you know what I mean? And obviously a lot of people are fearful, a lot of people are panic selling, you know what I mean? And that's why Bitcoin is crashing as well, right? So guys, like I said, don't be fearful, be bearish, okay? Be bearish, be bullish. What am I talking about? Sorry, guys. Be bearish. Hey, you can be bearish if you want. There's nothing wrong with being bearish, you know what I mean? But what I'm trying to say is just relax. Be bullish with Bitcoin. Think of Bitcoin long term. Don't think of Bitcoin short term, because if you always think Bitcoin, short term, right, it's just gonna screw with your emotions, because Bitcoin, like I said many times, it's really volatile. It goes up and down, and this crash. It's like what happened earlier this morning. There's a huge crash, right? This is how Bitcoin is. You know what I mean? So be bullish with Bitcoin long term. Think of Bitcoin long term. Think of Bitcoin where it will be in 2023, 100K. Think of Bitcoin where it will be in 2025, 500K. Right? This is my own personal price predictions. In 2030, $1 million. Could be sooner than that. Could be in 2028, 2029. That we will be seeing a $1 million Bitcoin per Bitcoin. You know what I mean? We're going to be seeing Bitcoin trading at $1 million, right? It's going to be reaching $1 million per Bitcoin. Mark my words, this is going to happen, okay? Bitcoin will reach $1 million per Bitcoin. And that's why I've been telling you guys to accumulate one single Bitcoin, because this one single Bitcoin will change your life forever. It will give you some type of wealth. You will be a millionaire, right? And you will have financial freedom, which is what everyone wants. Having financial freedom, right? If you have it, it will change your life, okay? It will literally change your life. And if you have financial freedom, just know it's a really rare thing to have in life, okay? Because not a lot of people have financial freedom, and not a lot of people want it. So I'm telling you guys this right now. If you just put your money, simply just put your money in Bitcoin, you invest your money into Bitcoin, and you accumulate multiple Bitcoins, you will become a millionaire. But hey, like I said, all you need is just one single Bitcoin, just one token, just one single Bitcoin. That is it, right? And you will become a millionaire in the future. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, this is some pretty bad news, you know what I mean? But hey, let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys bullish or you guys bearish? Let me know, because I would love to know. Personally, guys, I am always bullish. Bullish, okay? I'm always bullish. Okay, I don't care what Bitcoin does short term. I only care about what Bitcoin does long term. And I know where Bitcoin will be heading. Okay, I know where Bitcoin will be heading. It's always going to be shooting up, right? So that's why I am not fearful. I am used to these dips. Trust me, like we had a dip. We had a lot of dips this year in 2022. Like we had one in January. We had one in February. Those were some decent dips. You know what I mean? Like it was, right? But then we just bounced back up. And this is exactly, it's just a whole cycle, right? Short term for Bitcoin, yes, it's volatile. It's just like this. And sometimes it'll be like this, like dips, like what's happening early this morning. So guys, don't be fearful. Be bearish. I'm joking. Be bullish, guys. Okay, don't be bearish. Just relax. Okay, Bitcoin will bounce back up. Like I said, think of Bitcoin long term. Okay, just don't panic sell. It's not the way to go. It will screw with your emotions, and it's a bad move to make. Okay, panic selling is not the way to go. Trust me, it is not. Ask anyone that has invested into cryptocurrency or even the stock market. Panic selling is not the way to go. Trust me. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and like I said, let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys, bearish or bullish with Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day.